Okay, we're starting again. So you're going to get yourself all nice and straight. Get that pillow underneath your head so your spine's nice and straight. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bend your knees and hips, and you're going to want to end up not quite so far, about like that. So about 45 degrees. And then without changing the position of the spine, you're going to lift the knee, the left knee up in the air, keeping the heels together. No, not like that. Like that. Oh, okay. Yep. But you see, but when you came back, you let your body rock backwards. So go ahead, put the leg down, and now raise the leg up without letting the body rock backwards. Good. And then come back down. And then go ahead and come back up again. And what you're going to do is, as you do this, you're going to get better control, and this movement's going to become a little bit smoother, but that looks pretty good. So that's exercise 1. Exercise 2, now instead of the knee lifting, the foot lifts, and you keep the knees together. So the knees stay together, and then you put the foot down. And then go ahead and lift up. Good. You did a really good job of keeping the body, your spine really nice and strong and stable right there. Feel like you're engaging your core, right? Yeah. I feel like my leg is wobbling. That's okay. The wobble's going to go away pretty fast. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's exercise 1. So you're going to do this on one side, and then you're going to flip to the other side, do the same thing. Then exercise 2. So exercise 2 is now the knee is going to be directly under the hip. So kind of even a little bit more back like that. And knees are going to be bent 90 degrees. So just like that. So normally your foot would be suspended. You know, you wouldn't have this table. Right. So you'd feel a little bit more stable than you feel right now, because you probably don't feel that stable here. And I'm going to act as if there's floor. And you're going to do the same thing. So now you're going to lift the knee up. Yep, good. And then you're going to put the knee down. And then lift the knee up. And then put the knee down. And then you're going to do that same thing where the knees are going to stay together, and you're going to lift the heel up. Nope, yep, like that. Good. And then down. And then heel up. But don't lift the knee. Just rotate like that. That's all you got to do. Just like that. Good. You are now the recorder.
Oh boy.
So why don't you go down there? So everything nice and straight. Spine start nice and straight like that. Then you bend the knees, hips about 45 degrees. Then without moving this part of the body, leg comes up, leg comes down. Or I'm sorry, knee comes up, knee comes down. Then the next exercise, foot comes up, foot comes down. Foot comes up, foot comes down. And then the setup for the second part of the exercise is knees, hips, shoulders nice and straight, and then you lift up, you lift down, you lift up, you lift down, and then we lift up, we lift down, we lift up, we lift down. Okay?
Okay. I didn't push anything. I hope that's